Huh? Oh, I miss. Leafy! What's happened? You become evil! I see. I'm so sorry I killed you. I want revenge! Team Ice Cube, you lost last time. Get your feet over here. Donut, where's the rest of your team? Okay, but when did I ask? Well, excuse me for having a little fun. Guys? Ha, every day that's like a year in bubble years because bubbles are very easy to pop. Here, watch as I pop bubbles. Blocky, why do you have to say that? Just because I'm a bubble? Just because my body was built the same way? You want to threat violence against me? That's just not right, Blocky. Hey, I need to borrow this. Thanks. Hey! So how is everything? I hate everything there. Okay, but like, how is it going? Okay, that's one other thing, but it's still just free things. Anything else was just something I was told to be. Something someone else wanted. Like really, why should I do math? I don't like math. I hate math. What's in it for me? What do I get from math? Ugh. Sorry, Gaty. I got a little carried away. No, I totally get it actually. When I like being something, it's because I got to decide for myself. Like my periwinkleity.
This challenge is great. I love squares.
What about circles? Ooh, what do you think of triangles, Robot Flower?
Well, I guess.
What about hexagon?
I don't.
What about Ratzy? I'm an ore. I feel bad.
Oh well, I'm starting the motor.
Don't keep me underwater for 30 seconds.